Welcome to Ticklipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to do taskbar customization on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you want to do is just go onto your taskbar, then just right click on your taskbar, then just click on taskbar settings. Then from here, you'll find a list of options. In the taskbar items menu, you'll find search. You can either select search box, which will have a search box down below, or you can select hide, which will completely hide the search bar. Or you can select search icon only, which will only have the search icon and you can search by clicking on it and then just typing here. Or you can have search icon and label, which will have a mini search bar. Now, I personally like the search box, which is the bigger version of it, so I'm gonna keep this one. And if you want, you can add Copilot preview. Just change some other settings, it glitches and doesn't show. There you go. Or you can just turn this off. Then in the taskbar, you'll find this task view icon. Just click on it and you can see different tasks you have on your screen. You can turn this off as well. I personally like it, so I'm gonna keep it. And from here, you can also see the widgets. If you want, you can also turn this off. And as you can see, that has been hidden. I would like to keep it, so I'm gonna turn it on. Then in the system tree icon, you can either turn on pin menu. If you have a touchscreen keyboard, you can put always here. If you have a virtual trackpad, you can turn this on. And then in other system tray icons, you can see more options. You can hide icons which you don't want. Currently, I don't want to hide anything, so I'm not gonna change any settings here. But if there are any icons that you want to hide, just change the settings from here. Then you'll find taskbar behavior. From here, you'll find the taskbar alignment. You can either keep it in center or keep it to the left. I prefer it in the center, so I'm just gonna put it back to center. Then you can check this automatically hide taskbar. This will hide your taskbar. I like to see my taskbar, so I'm just gonna untick this. Then you can click show badges on taskbar apps. This will show badges on taskbar apps. And then you can click on show flashing on taskbar apps. This will flash apps when you have opened them. And you can turn this off if you don't want it. And share any window from my taskbar. You can keep it on or off, whatever you like. Then from here, you can turn this off or on. Then from here, you can either keep this on or off. If this is on, when you go to the bottom left of your screen and click on it, it will show your desktop. And when it is off, it won't show your desktop. I would like to keep it on. Then here, show seconds in system tray clock. You can just click on it and it will show the seconds. But know one thing, that it uses a slight more power, so you can turn this off if you're on a laptop. Then below that, you'll find combined taskbar buttons and hide labels. From here, you can put it on never. It will show the icons like this, but I personally like it on always. It looks more premium that way. And that is basically it. And that is how to customize taskbar on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.